in LCM method, there are also some other kind of methods. In LCM method, we can also solve by using long division method, long division method, and so the first one, and the second one is a prime factorization method, or we can also solve this one by using divisibility rules. If you are good at divisibility rules, then you can easily solve by using the divisibility rules. Also, we can easily find the LCM of the given numbers. So let us go with some numbers. Suppose find the LCM of 10 comma 12 comma 18. So I need the LCM numbers. First, I am going with the long division method. So it will be the long division method. So I need to solve, first divide the numbers with the prime numbers only. So it will be like 5, 6, and 9 here. After that, I'll take the next prime number. So 5 is as is because it is not divisible with it, and it was divisible for 2 times and it was divisible for 3. So I can write the numbers as LCM of 10 comma 12 comma 18 as 3 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. So you need to write from this point to the first one. So after multiplying this one, you can get the value as 6 into 5. So that is the 36. Okay, that will be equals to 30 into 6. That will be equals to what is the LCM of 10 comma 12 comma 18. That will be equals to 40. So this is by if we go with the long division method. But we are not going to solve questions by using long division method. Let us see how to solve by using prime factorization. Let us consider the same example here is LCM of 10 comma 12 comma 18. So in prime factorization method, what we need to do is we need to write the given numbers of factors. So this 10 can be written as a 2 comma 5, and this 12 can be written as a 2 square into 3, and this 18 can be written as a 9 into 2, or this 9 also can be written as a 3 square into 2. So these are all the prime numbers. So I need to get the LCM of 10 comma 12 comma 18. So what we need to do is take the highest factor among the numbers. So what will be the highest factor among 2 square and 2? So the highest factor or highest prime base will be square here. And what will be the next highest prime base? So here 3 and 3 square was present. So the highest prime base among 3 and 3 square will be of 3 square here. And the next number we are left with here is 5 only. So 5 here. So this can be simplified as a 4 into 9 into 5. 4 into 5 into 9. 4 into 5. 4 into 9 into 5. Is there anything missing? Check here. Okay. Can be written as 4 5 is of 20. 29 is of 20 into 9 will get as 1. Check here. Something is missing here. Get 2 5s and 2 6 and 2 9s. And if we cancel with 5 as it is, 3 2s and 3 3s get cancelled. So 3 square and 4 square and square and 3 square. So 2 into 3 is of 6 and 2 into 3 is of 6. 6 is of 36. 36 5 is of 180, not 2. From this also I will get the same answer here. So how to solve by using the division method here or a divisibility rule here. So in the given answer what he gave is for the third one, LCM of 10 comma 12 comma 18. So we need to look for the 9 divisibility if possible. If any any one number digital sum, any one number digital sum is 9, then the answer, then in the answer also 9, the digital sum 9 will be, the digital sum 9 will be present. Digital sum 9 will be present. Let's see some more examples in the next session. Have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next session with some examples based on this LCM method. Thank you for watching. We'll continue the previous next session.